Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Ritch and Lux. My name is Ritchie and today I'm gonna do double unboxing. I've been actually waiting for this day. I've had these items probably almost a month now, but just didn't have time to unbox it, but finally I found time. So yes, today I'm excited. I'm finally, I think, going to have the bags that I really need for my collection. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is a really huge bag right here, so I'm gonna just try to, these are the cards, just gonna try to unbox it for you. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but wow, this is such a big box. I think this is like the biggest box I've opened so far. So we shall see. I don't know how to open this. Smells so good. So, well, I actually already opened this, guys, but I just wanted to share it today with you. So yeah, let's see. Any guesses though? Here you go. Ta-da! I got a Empreinte. What do you call this? Neverfull. So ta-da! This is so pretty. Such a luxurious leather. So it's been in the box, I think, for almost 3 weeks now, 4 weeks. But yeah, I'm so happy to get this because I've been wanting to buy a tote bag, and this is what I've decided to get after all the research and everything. So, and then of course we got this pouch that matches, and yeah, I'm so happy. But anyways, I got a story about this. I went to the store, I think 2 weeks before this item had a price increase. I don't know if you noticed. This used to be $2,180. So I ordered it in store because they only had the cream, so it was available for order. So I did order it, and after I think a week and a half, it's like they're not calling me or nobody was updating me about my order. So I tried to go online and I wanted to just cancel it because it's taking a long time. So then I checked and it's like, wait, why is it already this much? I took out my receipt and it said 2,180. So then I went to go call the client services and ask them if I could just cancel, but then realized, wait, if I'm gonna cancel it, if I repurchase it, it's gonna be the higher price. It increased from 2,180 to, I believe, 2,230. So I said, oh yes, good thing I already ordered it before the price increase. So I was happy about that. So then I kept waiting. Nobody's like contacting me. It's been like, I think 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks since I ordered it in store. The SA hasn't called me, and so then I called client services and I was just gonna cancel it, and even if there was a price increase and all. So but they said they couldn't cancel it, they have to go to the store. So I went to the store, and guess what happened, guys? There was actually an item there exactly like this, and I asked them about my order, and they said, oh, by the way, your order was rejected. This order was, I think, a week before the price increase. So now they couldn't find any, I guess it was rejected. I don't know why, but I think it's because of the price increase, maybe. I'm not sure, but the SA was saying, no, it's not about that. It was just because it wasn't available. So I was like, that's kind of doesn't make sense. So I said, can I just get that item then, because you have it in store, available in store, and I have the order. So she said, if I'll give you this item, then it's gonna be the current price, not the price that you bought it for. So I said, really? Because they said that it's a live item in their inventory. So I guess, okay, well, at least you could have called me and told me that my order was rejected. I was just waiting and waiting, and my money is there. I mean, my money is out already. And so they just, of course, apologized, and good thing I already repurchased this from another store before I went to that other store, because I just wanted to make sure I get this color. So So yeah, that's my story. They rejected my initial order in store, which was the older price, and I don't know if it's because of the price increase, that's why it was rejected. Nobody can fulfill the order anymore. That's what they were saying. So I ended up just buying it at the other store at the current price. So, but I think they just want me to buy it with the new pricing. That's not nice. Anyways, I still got it because I like it. I like the color. It's neutral and it's not too loud. I mean, it's the embossing is big, but it's not too out there. So yeah, that's that. And another box here. I don't know if you've noticed. Oh, you didn't. I have another one. This one I've been obsessing about. So I ordered this through my SA and I waited maybe a month or almost 2 months, maybe a month and a half, because the first order didn't go through. It was again not fulfilled. So I've been just stalking online and it always says find in. I would always go check find in store because it wasn't available to order online. So I was looking find store. So I keep texting him and I tell him like, hey, it's available at these 2 stores in the East Coast. So he checked again and finally he was able to order it and it was fulfilled after 3 days. The order was. So now I have this. So let's unbox this. I already unboxed this too, you know, just to make sure. So guess what it is, guys? This one I've been obsessing since it came out. I think about 4 months ago. If you can tell from the shape, it is the Felicie Pochette in the turtle dove bicolor. So here we go, guys. It's so pretty. And of course the wallet pouch and the card holder right here. So yeah, so I got this too. Kinda matches at least, right? So finally, I hope we can travel soon, right? So let's see. I'll do a little bit of mud shots. Okay, and I forgot, I actually got this bag organizer from Amazon because it's way cheaper. I mean, it's okay. And the good part about this is it has a divider with Velcro and you can just attach it there if you want. For the Neverfull, this is a size large. I'm gonna link it down below if you are interested. So it is comparable to the Samorga and Simone, but it's, you know, felt. It's called, I don't know how you can read it, UOM style something. So here's the thing with Felicie is I'm just all over the place here. I had to take out this card holder because there's no space usually, because I just use my key holder. So I just left the pouch in there instead. And now this, I'm gonna put it in the Neverfull. This one here, and now just gonna, so it just fits perfectly right there. So I like it because there's so many options to put stuff in here. See, there's just that spacing on the side a little bit, but other than that, it's fine. Let me see if it can fit my laptop. This is my 13-inch MacBook. Ooh, it fits perfectly right there. So love it. Love the color. So I can use this as like that and as my little mini bag, and then my travel tote right here. Perfect, ain't it? There you go, guys. Thank you. And as always, hope you can subscribe, like, and share. And that's it. Bye. Have a good one.